In this video, we will learn how to add dark mode in Google Docs step by step. So let's get started. You can see currently we have opened a Google document, and by default, Google does not provide dark mode. We will use two different methods to enable the dark mode. First, we will use the Google Chrome, its own method using the experimental feature. To use it, visit Chrome /flags. Here you get all experimental features and you can test them before they are released. So simply search for dark. Here you need to enable this option. Once you enabled, it will ask you to relaunch the browser. So relaunch the Google Chrome. Once you relaunch, it will enable the dark mode. Now you can see our Google Doc is in dark mode. However, this method is not effective. As you can see, the document part is still in white. Now we will use another method. In this method, we will use a Chrome extension. To use it, search for extensions and visit the Google Web Store. On Chrome Web Store, search for Dark Reader. Now click on it. Click Add to Chrome and add extension. The Dark Reader extension has been installed successfully. Now let's pin it. Once you pinned, you can see it is enabled by default. You can adjust the filters such as brightness, contrast, and other filters as well. Now let's see our Google document. Refresh it. You can see the dark mode is enabled effectively, covering all the document. So this is how you can enable the dark mode in Google Docs. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.